Sup, it's your boy back again, Mr. Butter the Bread. We're about to do a flight from Katalina to somewhere. Don't know where we're going, but it's gonna be a good flight. This is only gonna be the takeoff portion. We'll climb to about 10,000 feet, 5 minutes after departure. So yeah, let's just get started, boys. We're on takeoff. Runway 6. Yeah, I hope you can hear that in the background. It's not the words to those clues. So hopefully you can hear it. We're on takeoff. 160. B1. Rotate. So anyways, yeah. Some people, this is a night flight from, Katalina. Actually, we might climb about 7,000 feet. Because it's actually like a short flight. This is takeoff portion. But anyways, yeah. So, your boy Chandler is gonna climb to about, actually, if we like fireball a little bit, we might get to about the time that we need. But anyways, we're in a 737 United to need to stop flying the 737s. But yeah, I should do an A321 vid pretty soon. Anyways, yeah. So anyways, we're gonna do some. I'm gonna get premium. My joystick is coming Wednesday for this, so instead of flying autopilot all the time, so yeah, I'm gonna get a joystick so we can land. And I want to get premium. And I might get the premium for the camera so I can record for 13 hours for a flight from Tokyo, Japan, to KLAX with a Boeing 747-8. It's gonna be Nippon cargo or cargo logs. It's gonna be a cargo. Now, my preference is gonna be a Lufthansa 787, but I don't want to really do that. But it's whatever. Actually, we're gonna climb about 5,000 feet because that's a little bit of time. We're just flying right into some random airport, but. So anyways, 2,000 feet a minute. And if you want to see my VFR flight plan, here we go. Just gotta zoom out a little bit. What? I forgot to continue. Oh no. It's all good. So we're flying the KSNA, which I don't know. John Wayne. Oh! I just read about that airport the other day. It's actually a pretty bad airport. So actually, we're gonna climb to about 4,000. It's just gonna be a short little jumping flight. And yeah. So we're out there. So anyways, about 4,000 feet a minute. We're just gonna breach the system here. But yeah, if you guys want, I'll butter the bread for you. But if we can't get to there, because a 30-second thing will come up on the edge of my screen. So anyways, yeah. So anyways, we're flying from Catalina to John Wayne International Airport. Should be just a little jumping flight. So yeah, anyways, so if you guys haven't heard, there's some tea going around that I like, or that I asked out Caitlin. I did. And I kind of moved on from Maddie. I really like Caitlin. Yeah, she calls herself a B-word sometimes, but she's actually really nice. You know, there's some things that I can like see in her. We have the potential together. Yeah, that's all about right now. It's been quite a journey just becoming friends with Manny, and then I became friends with all of her friends. So now her friends are my friends. But at least I know just Caitlin is, but not sure about Rihanna. That's a different story. Taylor, I think, is my friend, but we really don't talk that often. But I mean, it'd be nice to talk to her, but just So we're on final approach, runway whatever runway. This is just short jump flight from Katalina, going through 3,100 feet. That green dot that you see over on the screen over there that keeps turning from green to white, that's the airport that I understand. We're about to come right in. That sounded really wrong, but we're going right in, and we're just gonna butter this bread. But anyways, yeah, so Caitlin's like really nice. I also kind of like Maddie still. But anyways, we're turning in now. Fly in. We're gonna put our flaps down to about 15. United UAL. I hope you guys can hear that background music. It's popping right now. But you know how it is. We're actually gonna put down our stuff to about 220, so we can land this puppy. But anyways, yeah, we are so close to landing. If we can actually get a landing in the same video. I don't know. We got about 2 minutes left. So if we can like fireball it in there, I think we might get it. But yeah. So we're gonna actually firewall this thing in. 320 knots. We're actually gonna get in there quick, safely. I wanna get in there. But anyways, yeah, Caitlin, I really like. A lot of people that see this stuff at my school will probably be like, oh god, what has Chandler got himself into? But anyways, yeah, so we're coming really hot. So we're actually turning in right down one. So anyways, yeah, we're coming in. We're gonna put down to about 14,000 feet a minute. Gears down. We're gonna land here. It's gonna be loud for a second, so you can't hear the background music, but we're about to butter the bread. Runway we're about to land on. So, yeah. So just, So we got about 30 seconds left. But anyways, yeah. It's been fun, boys. But yeah, anyways. What the? Anyways, yeah. So anyways, that's my, go follow him. But anyways, like and subscribe, and I'm out, boys. Over and out. Mr. Butter the Bread.